Okay, hello fellas, and today we have the old badass Makita angle grinder BGA452 and customer told it's a problem in the brushes and the armatures, so I will try to replace the armature and the brush holder for this one. And first of all, what I can see, it's no grease inside. Basically I will open it, just brush some dust here. This one looks pretty clean. Okay, we have some grease here. And yeah, everything is not as bad as it can look. The gears look good, so I will put a small amount of grease here. Just spreading it here inside the gear housing. Now I'm closing it again. Not getting the screws all the way, tighten it now. We'll insert all four of them and then I will tie them. Okay, now we can see that the grease is getting on the gear, and when it will be working and the armature gear will get in touch with this one, the grease will go all over the gears and it will be better. Okay, the cover, we can see the cap is damaged. It's said that I think I don't have the spare cover for this one. Okay, the brush is destroyed. The second brush, I cannot take it out, and yeah, it seems not bad. It's well, but of course it's overheated, and this one is completely destroyed. The spring is destroyed. Okay, now I want to try to take out the armature and check how it looks, and the ball bearing is out for this one. Honestly, the armature not looks really bad, but we can compare the copper with the new one and the old one. It's a little bit different in the color. Basically, yeah, the ball bearing is completely dead. The armature, seen some heat here. Okay, so now we need to remove the gear here, most tricky part. Normally I'm using these plates and the hydraulic press or the vise. Okay, now as the plates tighten it, we can try to put a puncher here and we can try to hammer it. Maybe we will get a armature out. Yep, that's good for us. And we got the armature out. We can check the bearing. Okay, it's good, it's not wobbling. Okay, now we have some dust from the armature here. Okay, making sure that it's the same armatures. Yep, it's the same. And now we need to get the new armature. And the best way, of course, is not hammering. The best way is press it in. I will slightly hammer it. And normally, then I'm inserting it in the vise and pressing it. Okay, I have pressed it on vise, just made it one lip here, one lip here, and pressed it all the way down. And I hope I have not ruined something, bent it or so on. Okay, now we need to open the grinder. And let's check what we have here. We have our holder, we can see the plastic melted, and as we can see we have the red and the black wires going here, so just disconnecting them. They was like that. So now I'm connecting the red one. Normally the red one is positive. Okay, cannot see quite good if I have fitted the connection or not. Okay, the positive locks in place and the black one, the negative, will be in a place soon. Yep, seems to be good. So now we can see that the old one was like that. The wires go here. Okay, we have installed the brush holder, and if everything seems to be good, we can close the motor housing. good. We have nice motor housing here. Of course, we have the armature. We have the gear. Yep, now it spins nicely, and you can see I have spinned it, and the armature here gear has covered it with the grease. Okay, so just closing it. Okay, now I need to search for the new brushes because I have not ordered them with the armature, forgot about them. Okay, so went to the shop and have the brushes, have the old caps because not got the new ones, and got a new cover for this one. Okay, the old caps will be good for testing the tool. I have ordered them and I will get them in 1 or 2 working days. Okay, the brush. And of course it will be harder now to put the brush cap. Okay, maybe this one will be easier. Okay, what I need now, I need the caps to hold the brushes in place, just to test the tool and end the video, of course. Do not hold this tool on my table for next maybe 2 days. Okay, for this one, okay, I hope this will hold the brush. We'll put the cover here. Okay, now I need to test the grinder. A battery without indicator, but I hope it's charged. Yep, it works. So the new armature, the brushes, the camera holder works well. For now, thank you for watching and bye.